Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup for PSVR on your PC. And to do this, first you will need to get the Steam, and you can get this up on their official website. You probably already own it. If not, I think we've made a tutorial on how to download it, and you can check it in our videos on our channel. And when you have that app installed, you need to log in, then navigate to the store, and right here look for PlayStation VR app. We need to click on it, then you can scroll down, and we're gonna check the requirements your PC needs to meet to actually make it work. And you can click on the visit the website, and then let me change the language. And here's the required PC specifications. You can check them out. Make sure your PC meets them. Now, what we need for the setup next is, of course, a PSVR2, those two joysticks, and also you will need the PS to PC adapter. And it looks like this. I have a box right here, PlayStation VR2 PC adapter. You need it for the setup, otherwise it won't work. So I have all of the components right here. Now what we're gonna do is download the app. So use PlayStation 2 VR and click on the free right here, install it. And I think we also need to download something else, and that's just the Steam VR, but we're gonna check it in a second because maybe something changed. Okay, so the app have downloaded, and now we can open it. Then click on Get Started, and yes, you need to install Steam VR as well. So we need to go back to our store and install Steam VR. It looks like this. Then there's a play game, install. Sorry, there was a camera in the way, but you will probably manage. So my Steam VR have downloaded, and now we need to prepare our controllers. Pair and connect your controllers using Bluetooth. If USB cables are connected to your controllers, disconnect them. So you need to grab both of your controllers. Let me show you that on the camera. There's the first one. And then the second one. So let's click on next, and we need to press and hold a PlayStation button and the illumination button. I think, no, it's just this button right here. I think it's menu start button. I'm not sure how it's called. And then navigate to the Bluetooth settings on our PC. So enter Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on. And if you don't have a Bluetooth button right here, you don't have a Bluetooth receiver on your PC, and you will probably need to also buy that thing as well. So there's a Bluetooth dongle you can look for, and then just buy it. And in this case, I already paired both of the controllers. Let me disconnect them like this, and then now I'm gonna enter pairing mode at the controllers. So hold the PlayStation button and this button right here on both of them. Then click on Add a Bluetooth or other devices. Bluetooth, and then wait for your controller to be visible right here. So in this case I can already see the left one and the right one as well. I'm not sure if it will pair, but we'll see, because I didn't enter pairing mode on one of them. Let's try the right one then. Okay, so the right one is connected. Now we can move to the left one. Let's go back to the PSVR app, and as you can see, they are connected, and we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so you need to grab your PC adapter, and it has a cable coming out of it, and it's the USB. So connect it to the USB port 3.0 or higher. Then you will need additional cable, which I think is not included with PC adapter. And it's a display port, and you need to connect it right here, and then you need to connect it with your PC as well. And this thing is actually very important. Connect the display port to your graphics card instead of your motherboard, and it's most of the time below, so on the bottom of your PC back panel you can find the display port and connect it with your PC. So when everything is connected properly, we can move to the next step. And now connect the AC adapter to the PC adapter. That means the power source. So it comes in two parts. There's the power cable that connects to electricity. And the AC. So we need to connect the electricity cable and now connect it to your PC adapter. And then the power source. Then you can take a look right here. There's the red LED lamp and it's glowing. That means it's on, so we can continue. Now we need to connect our PSVR headset with the PC adapter, and there's always a USB-C cable coming out of your VR, and we need to connect it like this. Then take the goggles and press the power button located on the bottom of the scope, right here. And it should be on. Then we can move to the next step, and our VR headset is properly connected. And that is full setup. Afterwards there will be updates and everything else. My screen will keep blacking out since the display disconnected. But that would be it for this video. Hope you like it.